Hello, in this video, we're focusing on the practical concepts that you can actually apply in the real business world. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get on with it. Today, we're going to explore how Tottenham Hotspur's new stadium, which cost £1.2 billion, has become much more than just a football venue. This stadium is designed to generate revenue throughout the year, not just on match days. By using the space creatively and hosting different types of events, Tottenham has maximised the value of an asset they already own, turning it into a consistent income source. This approach offers valuable lessons for any business looking to get more out of their existing assets, showing how smart planning and innovative use of resources can lead to ongoing success. And Tottenham invested around £1.2 billion in building their new stadium. Many saw it as a big financial risk, but the club's leadership viewed it differently. They didn't just build a stadium for football matches. They created a versatile venue designed to generate income all year round. Instead of being empty on non-match days, the stadium hosts NFL games, concerts, conferences, boxing matches, and corporate events. It also attracts tourism and offers premium hospitality experiences. This approach transforms the stadium into a continuous revenue source, a smart business model that goes beyond traditional sports venues, making it one of the most advanced and innovative in modern sports. Traditionally, football stadiums have been tough investments because they're used so infrequently. A club might spend hundreds of millions building a venue that's busy only for 20 to 30 games a year, but the rest of the time, the stadium just sits empty. Yet it still costs money every day for things like upkeep, security, staff, and financing. It's similar to owning a factory that only runs one day a week, but keeps generating expenses the whole time. Tottenham's leadership challenged this old way of thinking by asking how the stadium could generate income every day of the year, instead of just during match days. This shift in mindset set the stage for a very different use of the stadium as a business asset. Tottenham didn't just build a traditional football stadium, they created a versatile entertainment venue that works all year round. Every part of the stadium is designed to generate revenue beyond just football matches. For example, the retractable pitch allows the venue to host NFL games and other events without damage to the playing surface. Premium hospitality suites offer a high-end experience for guests, drawing in business clients and event organisers. This strategy transforms the space into a commercial hub, maximising profitability not just on match days but every day of the year. Tottenham Hotspur's stadium was designed with more than just football in mind. Underneath the natural grass pitch, there's a retractable system that reveals a synthetic NFL field, allowing the venue to switch quickly between different sports. This flexibility makes it one of the few stadiums purpose-built to host American football at a professional level outside the US. Thanks to a long-term partnership with the NFL, Spurs benefit from a steady revenue stream that most football clubs can't access. This deal not only brings high-profile events to the stadium, but also maximizes its use throughout the year, reinforcing the smart business model behind the investment. Major artists like Beyoncé and Guns N' Roses now see the stadium as one of the top entertainment destinations in Europe. These concerts attract tens of thousands of people, many of whom might not typically come for a football match. This brings in substantial revenue across multiple channels. Ticket sales, hospitality, food and drinks, merchandise, and parking all benefit from these events. By hosting such high-profile performances, the stadium not only maximizes its use, but also creates diverse income streams that go well beyond just sports. This strategy plays a key part in making the stadium a true year-round revenue generator. Premium hospitality offerings are a key factor in driving higher revenue from visitors. Executive suites, private lounges, and premium seating create exclusive experiences that appeal to high-end customers willing to pay significantly more than regular ticket holders. These areas are designed to provide comfort, privacy, and exceptional service, which not only enhances the visitor's experience, but also generates much greater revenue per person compared to standard fans. This approach taps into a market willing to invest in a superior experience, making it one of the most profitable parts of the overall stadium model. When there are no matches scheduled, the stadium shifts into a dynamic business events centre. It hosts everything from meeting rooms and trade exhibitions to product launches and corporate gatherings. This approach keeps the venue active and commercially viable every day of the year, not just on game days. By using the stadium in this way, the space maximizes its value and ensures a steady flow of revenue through a variety of business activities beyond sports. This versatility helps maintain the stadium's financial health and supports the broader strategy of making it a multi-purpose asset. The stadium's design allows it to easily transform into a world-class venue for major boxing and combat sports events. With the retractable pitch and tiered seating, it creates the perfect atmosphere for championship fights. These events bring in their own streams of revenue through ticket sales, broadcast deals, and hospitality services. This is a great example of how the stadium leverages one physical asset to generate income in a totally different market, expanding its commercial potential beyond traditional sports like football and NFL. The key lesson here is about making the most of valuable assets by keeping them in use as much as possible. Just like airlines maximize profits by flying their planes for many hours, hotels aim to fill rooms every night, and Amazon runs warehouses around the clock. Tottenham leverages the stadium to generate continuous value. The stadium, which is a significant £1.2 billion investment, gains worth not simply by existing, but because it hosts a wide range of events that keep it active and profitable. Each additional event spreads the stadium's fixed costs over more revenue sources, improving overall financial efficiency. This approach explains why the venue isn't just a place for football matches, but a multi-purpose hub for sports, concerts, corporate events, and more, ensuring it delivers maximum return on investment. You don't need a huge stadium or extraordinary resources to use this approach. Think about what you already have that isn't fully utilized. Maybe your office space is empty most of the week, or your machines are idle outside of busy times. Perhaps your team's knowledge could be turned into training courses or subscription services. Even digital platforms you own might support premium features or partnerships. The key is to look at existing assets and find ways to make them generate more revenue, just like the stadium maximizes every opportunity to bring in income beyond the usual events. Start by taking a detailed look at all the assets you currently have that aren't being fully used. This can mean anything from buildings, staff, technology, or even business relationships. Then consider adjacent markets where you could expand, just like Spurs did when they branched out from football into entertainment and American football. It's important to build multiple streams of income so you're not reliant on just one source. Remember, change like this doesn't happen overnight, so patience and long-term thinking are key. Lastly, focus on offering a premium experience rather than just trying to compete on price. This helps you attract customers willing to pay more for quality and exclusivity. Amazon Web Services started as a way to use Amazon's own infrastructure more efficiently, but grew into a huge business worth billions. Disney takes one piece of intellectual property and turns it into films, streaming shows, merchandise, theme park attractions, and even games, squeezing value from every angle. Ryanair focuses on keeping its planes flying as much as possible and minimizing downtime, which helps boost its profits significantly. Similarly, Manchester City's City Football Group didn't just settle for one club. They expanded into a global network of clubs and business partnerships, creating new revenue streams from multiple markets. These examples show how different industries apply the same principle, making the most of existing assets while branching out into related opportunities. Tottenham's business model offers several clear advantages. By diversifying income streams, the club isn't solely dependent on matchday results, which helps maintain financial stability even when the team isn't performing well on the pitch. The stadium is used throughout the year, maximizing the return on investment by hosting a variety of events like concerts, boxing, and American football, rather than sitting idle during the off-season. This continuous use not only brings in more revenue, but also expands the club's brand exposure, reaching new audiences beyond traditional football fans. Finally, this approach creates a competitive edge that few other clubs can match, giving Tottenham a unique position in both sports and entertainment markets. The photo here shows the stadium in full celebration mode, highlighting how the venue comes alive, not just for football, but for the wide range of events that drive this business model. Investing £1.2 billion in a large project like this is something only a few organisations can realistically afford, and it comes with serious debt and financing risks. Managing an entertainment venue is also much more complex than running a football club alone. The demand for events can vary greatly depending on the economy, and if the event strategy isn't strong, the venue could end up being underused, which means the large investment might not pay off as expected. It's important to weigh these challenges carefully alongside the potential benefits. What might seem like a £1.2 billion cost centre is actually a diverse source of revenue. Spurs have transformed their football stadium into a year-round commercial hub by hosting NFL games, concerts, hospitality events, conferences, and tourism activities. This shows that successful organisations don't just focus on selling more, they focus on getting more value out of what they already have. By thinking creatively about how to use existing assets in different ways, businesses can create new revenue streams and improve their overall financial stability without always needing major new investments. This approach encourages us to look beyond the obvious and make the most of what's already there. If you found this video useful, there's plenty of more business and finance videos on the channel that you'll enjoy watching and get great practical value from. In the meantime, thanks for watching.